This is a video presentation on adding mixed numbers by Mathematically Marcia. Okay, in order to add mixed numbers, we, just like adding fractions, need to first of all have a common denominator. And our denominators 4 and 2, smallest number they both go into is 4. And then the first fraction, it didn't have to change. The second one, we have to do 2 times 2 to get 4, so we do 1 times 2, which is 2. And then our whole number part, we're going to leave it the same. And then you add the whole numbers together. 1 plus 7 is 8. Add your numerators together. 1 plus 2 is 3. And then keep your common denominator. And check and make sure it can't be reduced or doesn't need to be changed. And in this case it doesn't. So 8 and 3 over 4. Okay, again we need a common denominator. So we have a 2 and 3 for our denominator. So we can say 6 would be the common denominator. It's the smallest number that 2 and 3 both go into. To get 6, I have to multiply 2 by 3. So I need to multiply this numerator by 3 also, which gives me 3. This 3 has to be multiplied by 2. So multiply that numerator by 2. That gives me 4. And then the whole numbers, we're going to just leave those alone and bring those down. Now, add your whole numbers together. 1 plus 2 is 3. Add your numerators together. 3 plus 4 is 7. And we keep that common denominator. Now we have an improper fraction inside of a mixed number, and that's never okay. So what we're going to do is take 7 over 6, change it to a mixed number. So 6 goes into 7 one time. You have a remainder of 1. So 1 over 6. So we're going to take this away and replace it with 1 and 1 over 6. And add it to the 3 that we already have. So that gives us 4 and 1 over 6. Okay, once again we need a common denominator. Now the smallest number 3 and 4 will both go into is 12. And then to get 12 we have to do 3 times 4. So we multiply the numerator times 4, which gives me 8. And then 4 has to be multiplied by 3 to get 12. So we do 3 times 3, which is 9. And then we keep our whole numbers. So add your two whole numbers together. 2 plus 5 is 7. Add the numerators. 8 plus 9 is 17. And then keep the common denominator of 12. And then once again we have an improper fraction inside of a mixed number, which is not okay. So let's change 17 over 12 to a mixed number. 12 goes into 17 one time. Remainder of 5. So 1 and 5 over 12. So we take that off and replace it with 1 and 5 over 12. Which we now have 8 and 5 over 12. Okay, we have 3 numbers, so we need to look at all 3 denominators. We have a 2, 4, and an 8. And the smallest number they'll all go into is 8. So to get 8, we have to multiply 2 by 4. So 1 times 4 is 4. and we'd have to multiply 4 by 2, so 3 times 2 is 6. The last one is 8. It didn't change, so the numerator doesn't change. And we leave the whole number portion as it is. So now add your whole numbers. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. The numerator is 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 5 is 15, and then keep the common denominator. Now let's fix the improper fraction. 8 goes into 15 one time. You have a remainder of 7. So we take that off and we add 1 and 7 over 8 in its place. And that gives me 4 and 7 over 8. If you thought this video was helpful, please hit the like button below. And then share your thoughts, questions, or requests for future videos in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.